BRAHMARI Pranayama presented by Aathmik Yoga. Can you believe a few minutes of practicing this pranayama helps in relieving mental tension, anxiety, stress, and helps reducing anger, frustration, and worry? Practice and feel it by yourself. Let's begin. Sit in any comfortable position with your hands resting on your knees in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Focus on your breathing and relax your whole body. Take a couple of minutes to perform this, as this helps in practicing the BRAHMARI Pranayama effectively. Now slowly bring your entire attention towards your Ajna chakra, or the point in between your eyebrows. Stay here and relax your entire body. Now take one deep breath in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, and when you exhale, use your index or middle finger to close your ears. Keeping the ears closed, exhale, making a deep, soft humming sound like that of a humming bee. Concentrate on the sound. When you complete the exhalation, lower the hands to the knee and again breathe in slowly. Again bring your index finger into the ears and exhale. The humming sound should be smooth, even and continuous for the duration of the exhalation. The sound should be soft, making the front of the skull reverberate. Feel the sound within your head. The inhalation and exhalation should be smooth and controlled. One inhalation and one exhalation is one round. Continue to practice in the same way. One can perform from 10 to 20 rounds. Keep your eyes closed until the duration of your practice. Hear and feel the sound vibration within your head. This sound vibration relaxes your whole body. Contraindications. This practice should not be performed while lying down. And also, people with severe ear infections should avoid practicing this pranayama. The word Brahmari means bee, and the practice is so called because a sound is produced which imitates that of the black bee. Brahmari relieves stress and cerebral tension, and so helps in alleviating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. This increases the healing capacity of the body, strengthens and improves the voice. Brahmari induces a meditative state by harmonizing the mind and directing the awareness inward. This also calms our nervous system. After completing the BRAHMARI Pranayama, sit in silence for a few minutes with your eyes closed. Observe the vibration before you move on. Advanced practitioners practice Bahir Kumpaka, retention of breath after exhalation, Jalantra Banta and Mula Banta along with Kumpaka. BRAHMARI Pranayama is also practiced along with Shanmukhi Mudra, as it awakens the psychic sensitivity. It introverts the awareness, thus inducing a state of pratyahara or sense withdrawal. This is effectively used along with meditative practices. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It's like an ocean. The more you explore, the more you learn. Keep learning and keep practicing yoga to keep yourself healthy. Health is wealth. If you like our content, please do consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post a new video. Do share this content with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages to get interesting updates about our daily content and workshops.